So guys, we have ended our powder challenge guys, and now it's time for us to do a crackers challenge guys. So we're done with video, clean up yourself. I want to know say me win the powder challenge. Yes, the smackdown challenge guys, and me win the smackdown challenge. This nigga got smacked.
Welcome back to our channel guys. We're offering it Michelle and Ian guys. This is a combo guys, this is 2 in 1. We are giving you 2 in 1 guys, a combo. That's how much we love you guys. So stay tuned, watch full video guys.
Who is gonna win the crackers challenge?
Yes.
Who is gonna win the crackers challenge guys?
Here's my crackers. See it? See it?
Alright, after 3 guys. 1, 2.
Finish guys. Win guys, finish.
All of Ian biscuit turnover.
I win the challenge, finish. What's up?
That's my mom.
That happened to get more here.
Yeah, I see my mom in there.
Horrible.
We play too much. Just because Ian knows something about winning in turnover with that.
What?
Yeah, that's what I think of them people.
Good one.
We done. Nah.
What over?
We done.
What over video? And them do a job for
No.
No.
Yeah, she took because they don't listen.
No.
We not play. We done. Guys, I'm finished.
You can't go.
This challenge is not going anywhere, guys.
Give up.
This challenge is not going anywhere. Ian, throw it. Look at the crackers on here. Throw and crackers them.
Run, share, run.
This done. It's now done.
Yeah, give up. Yeah, give up.
So guys, I just want to tell you thanks for being here.
Thank you for your support, guys. I'm the one who win this challenge.
You not get no water.
Lose. She drink water first. She have to drink water first. So she will want any challenge because she had.
What I don't know.
Oh.
I think you say no one. No, you throw your biscuit and gum Ian. Guys, it's now open show. This is not going to pencil, guys. So people them all the biscuit them a grum. So people them all the biscuit them a raw grum. The two teeth. In every challenge Ian teeth, you can't bother.
Lord.
Guys, Ian is a sore loser. Guys, you know say Ian teeth the biscuit challenge. Once again him teeth for next challenge. But me just have to make him, because as him losing the powder challenge, me just have to make him take that one here. But see, all them biscuit them there grum. All them biscuit them.
You don't know Ian, fair and straight. Hello over my head. So I look at ball party and they say hello there.
Hello.
Yeah? No cheating. You see me? So guys, respect you know, take on the time, watch the full video, and laugh. You understand me? I want to enjoy the full video. Because I just saw me and Michelle go on in a real life, naturally. You understand me?
Natural blessings.
Yes, so thank you guys once again for your support. We are grateful and we appreciate you.
Big up on yourself, and as we always say, guys, spread love. Spread love. Yes, guys, and guys, please, if you don't subscribe as yet, me still asking you know when I wait pan. What you all waiting on to subscribe? And if you have subscribed already and been watching our videos and laughing with us, we love and we appreciate you all. Bye. Mwah.